Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to tell you guys the truth about being a Poshmark affiliate. So before there's any confusion, there are two programs. There is the Poshmark Ambassador program. I have a video talking all about that. I'll link it down below. And they also have the Poshmark affiliate program, which is what I'm going to be talking about in this video. So I'm going to read from the Poshmark website. I'm going to tell you like their description of being a Poshmark affiliate. It says, love repping Poshmark? You're in luck. A rewards program for social media influencers and Posh ambassadors is here. With Posh Affiliate, you can participate in fun campaigns, earn cash for spreading the word about Poshmark, and so much more. To join the program, you must be one of the following. So you either have to be a Poshmark ambassador, or you have to be a social media influencer with at least one connected social account to Poshmark that has at least 5,000 followers. So when the program first rolled out, they had it set so you could only become a Posh affiliate if you were a social media influencer. But they recently opened it up to include all Poshmark ambassadors too. There have been some changes to the program, and I'm going to talk about that too. So basically, I signed up for this when it first came out. I think it was definitely last spring. It was like right when I started doing Poshmark full time. I'm like, oh my gosh, I can, be an affiliate for them and I can make extra money. This is great. So after you've become a Poshmark ambassador, or you have connected your social media accounts, how do you find the campaigns? You go to My Seller Tools, and then you tap on My Campaigns at the top. One campaign is called Goal Getter, and this is for Facebook. They want you to share a Facebook post that showcases a goal you were able to achieve with the help of Poshmark. They have a special tracking link that you have to include in your post. You have to say that it's sponsored. You can't have just images. There has to be text as well. All kinds of rules that you have to abide to. So once you do that post, you copy the link to it and put it in this campaign. And it usually takes a couple days for them to verify it and pay you. Now let's talk about pay. So when it first rolled out, they paid a lot more, which is sad to say. Okay, so for instance, I did a Facebook post in April of 2019. I got $10 for it. The Facebook rate was just flat, regardless of how many followers you had. Now their flat rate is $5, regardless of how many followers you have on Facebook, $5. So I did an Instagram post in June. I got $10. That was the tier for 0 to 19,999 Instagram followers. I think I have like 5,000 Instagram followers. I don't know. I'm not really one to keep up with numbers. If you've watched my channel for a while, you know that like I don't really care about subscriber numbers. I'm not one that's like, oh my gosh, I need to get more subscribers. I've never been like that. I just make videos, and if you like me, like me. If you don't, you don't. I'm like knocking shit over here. If you had 20,000 to 50,000 Instagram followers, you got $20. And then I think if you had 50 plus, I think it was 50. I think it was $50. So in March, I did a Posh affiliate YouTube video, and I earned $450 for that. And that was in the 5,001 to 50,000 follower tier. $450. I have not been able to do a YouTube campaign. I don't think that they do YouTube campaigns anymore because, like I said, I just did that. Well, no, I've done two YouTube campaigns, one in March and one in May of last year, and I don't think they do YouTube campaigns through the affiliate program anymore. I know that they like reach out to people to have them do like sponsored videos, but I don't think that they do it through the affiliate program anymore. So if you do an Instagram post through the affiliate program, current day, if you have between 0 and 19,999 Instagram followers, you will get $5. I don't know the other tiers for Instagram because, like I said, I only have like, I think I have like a little over 5,000 Instagram followers. Again, I don't keep track of that shit. So I don't know the other tiers, but they obviously went down if the first tier went down, And then if you do a Facebook post, it's a flat rate of $5. So is it worth it? I mean, if it's something that you're gonna post on Instagram anyway, so one of the open campaigns right now is Posh Packages. So I know that it's popular on Instagram to take a picture of all your Poshmark packages and be like, oh my gosh, look at all my packages, look at me, I'm a super seller, woo! So if you're gonna do that anyway, you might as well do it through the Posh affiliate campaign and make $5. I mean, I laugh because I've been on YouTube a while and I've done a lot of sponsored content, and I mean, $5 is laughable to me. Like it's even $10, even $20. Like I'm not gonna like go into specific numbers, but their numbers are very laughable to me. Like if you've been in social media for a while, that you know like rates and stuff, and those numbers are just like, if you're not an influencer, if you're just a regular social media user, yeah, it's cool to get like an extra $5 here and there. So as far as like if it's worth it, again, if you're gonna do the post anyway, then yeah, you might as well. But I mean, I don't really, I mean, when was the last time I did a post? I don't even know. Let me see when my last one was. My last one was September. So I personally am not going to go out of my way to create a post just to get an extra $5. Like that's not worth it to me. It's not worth my time. Again, if it was a post I was going to post anyway, then yes, I'll do that. But you know, like the $5, I think that's just kind of a joke. And I feel like they had to lower that amount. They had to lower all the amounts because they opened it up to way more people. Like I said, they opened it up to every Poshmark ambassador. As far as how often can you do campaigns, I think it's one every 90 days, I believe. But like right now, like I said, I have 8 open, so I can choose one from those 8 campaigns. And then it's every, maybe it's 30 days. Ooh, I don't know. I gotta check on that, and I'll like let you guys know. I'll put it on the screen somewhere. I lost my train of thought in this video, so I'm sitting here like trying to think of what I wanted to say. First of all, my husband texted me and asked if I wanted tacos tonight, which he totally like read my mind, because yes, well, I mean, I want tacos every night, but yes, I really want tacos tonight because it's Monday night, it's bachelor night, bachelor and tacos, even though I'll eat the tacos before the bachelor. It's a good night. And then I just got, oh, this just solidifies. I was gonna make a video like replying to like mean comments. Like I've made videos like that in the past, like, yeah, replying to mean comments, and I wanted to bring it back, and this solidifies. This person just commented on one of my vlogs. If you don't know, I have a vlog channel where I do vlogs and like more personal videos. I'll link that down below. But this person commented on one of my videos where I was doing a 32-week pregnancy update, and I was talking about how I was peeing all the time, because anyone with half a brain knows that when you're pregnant, especially 32 weeks, there's lots of pressure on your bladder, so you do pee often. And this person goes, "Why do you pee so much at night? Are you diabetic?" I'm not laughing, hold on. I'm not laughing about the being, like anyone being diabetic, because being diabetic sucks. Like I've had family members that are diabetic, it's not cool. I'm just laughing that that is their reasoning as to why I'm peeing at night, not the fact that I was 32 weeks pregnant and had a baby pushing down on my belly. Like, that's what I wanted to talk about. So the money that you get from the affiliate program, you can actually cash that out. You can like transfer it to your bank account. So it's different than getting like a Posh credit where you have to just turn around and use it on the app. Like when I give you guys my referral code to sign up, like if you're new to Poshmark and you sign up using my code KEEPINITRAD, you get a $10 credit and I get a $10 credit. And those credits you can only use on the app. You can't turn around and like, you know, put it into your bank account. But with the Posh affiliate program, you can. So just wanted to clear that up. Okay, so there you have it. That's the truth on being a Posh affiliate. Are you gonna make a lot of money from it? Probably not. Yeah, that's basically the lowdown on being a Posh affiliate. You know, like I said, if you're already like an influencer, if you're already an ambassador, if you're gonna post something that they have a campaign for already, then, you know, go for it. I really feel like it's worth going out of your way to create a post. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will link my Poshmark playlist down below. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code KEEPINITRAD and you will get a $10 credit. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video.